Yeah, well, I saw it on a rerun.
It's a rerun.
You'll find out.
You know, why do you look so familiar to me? Do I know your mother?
Yeah, I think maybe you do.
Well, then I want to give her a call. I don't want her to worry about you.
You can. That is, nobody's home.
I in a local marketplace, a oscilloscope came for sale with a frequency function generator. So I've purchased both of them. Previous owners using to diagnose audio stuff, tube amps, I believe. I'm not sure if they were musical tube amps or just plain tube amps, but whatever. I wanted for the longest time to learn to get one of these machines and learn them. I do have a few pieces of equipment I bought really cheap on purpose, broken. I knew they were broken, or some even for free, with the intention of one day maybe fixing them. The multimeter that I have, you know, multimeters are great. I have a good one, but it has its limitations, right? So, but an oscilloscope allows you to see the waveform of the signal, how it is moving through different electronic components, and you can see a lot more. You can use it to test signals as it goes through your circuit, see how individual parts perform, see how a capacitor charge time, see many things that I've yet to learn. You know, I've yet to have to learn. But yeah, I want to show you guys this. So right now, this probe, the actual probe, the red part of the probe is connected to the positive end of the speaker terminal, and the ground wire coming off the probe, this black connector, is connected to the black wire of the speaker terminals, and so that's how that is connected. And when you press play on a TV,
Yeah.
you see the waveform.
Do you know what Riverside Drive
I have to
is?
still learn a lot of this stuff. This is a 2-channel oscilloscope.
Right past Maple, that's John F. Kennedy Drive.
Who the hell is John F. Kennedy?
Mother, well, with Marty's parents out of town, don't you think you ought to spend the night? I mean, after all, Dad almost killed him with the car.
That's true, Marty. I think maybe you should spend the night. I think you're our responsibility.
Oh, gee, I don't know.
And he can sleep in my room.
I gotta go. I gotta go. Thanks very much. It was wonderful. You were all great. See you all later.
I haven't messed with this frequency function generator other than connecting it to make sure it turns on, which it does. I have some cables and stuff to figure out, but this will help me hopefully to test a bunch of different equipment or verify things in the future. You can pick the waveform, function waveform, the range, the frequency. I have to learn this, the width, the rate, the offset. Not even sure what that is. The amplitude, I think. Okay, that's all I wanted. Just want to share this piece of equipment. I think this is from 1990. I really like it. The only thing is this thing here is on channel 2 is broken, but doesn't really prevent us doing a lot of other things. So I think we're good.